think I spend too much time trying to fit myself, my own personality, into other people's molds.
We have been so brainwashed to believe that everybody else's thoughts and feelings matter more than our own. That's just backwards. We're always thinking about somebody else's intention. Oh, they have positive intent. But what about the impact that it's had on you? This is what keeps us stuck. This is what keeps us creating these terrible relationships because we're trying to mind read. But we just need to focus on ourselves and show up authentically. If you don't know how to do that, my name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. Step one, start journaling. Reflect on who you are. Think about it. Recognize your feelings. There's emotional intelligence that comes with it. Recognize your feelings. And once you're able to do that, express those authentically. And authentically, which means you're not thinking about how the other person's going to respond. You're going to give them the opportunity to respond as they may.